guys, today we got something new. We got our friends over here at the FRP who hooked it up and sent us a mini bike. We're gonna do a very serious review on this bike. We're gonna test everything out, suspension, power, everything, and we're gonna have some fun with this bike. So let's open it up, see what kind of bike we got here. Pretty simple if you ask me. You gotta hook up the forks, hook up the bars. Here's everything laid out. Should be everything you need to assemble it. One really cool thing that I gotta say is there's a lot of room for activities in this thing. I mean, look at that. Look at all the room for activities, dude. Like, imagine friggin' two-stroke 125 in here. It would be nuts. According to the instructions, it should take 20 minutes to install this if you're an adult. So if you're a child, like that one, then maybe not 20 minutes. So that looks exactly like the Hellcats. We're about to put this bike to the test. We're not gonna just do a traditional, like, just cruise on the road. We're gonna go put it against the e-rides, which obviously it's not gonna compare much, but we're gonna try to do some jumps, hit a skate park, wheelie it, and just do a bunch of random shenanigans. Let's go. You pretty much have to eat the impact of your back and your butt. Whoa! He's going ham. Shit, he's wheeling it. Oh, my freaking knee, dude. Peter's lucky that he's injured, because now I gotta do all the stupid things. We're gonna see what the top speed on this is. Advertised at 28 miles an hour, and we're gonna use the GPS on the E-Ride Pro to figure out if it's accurate or not. So let's go. Hey man, speed limit's not even reading the top speed. What is going on here? Alright guys, so as you can see, we had a really good time. This bike is really meant for on-road use. This is an FRP GMB100. It's a 99cc. It's light. I can lift it and load it myself. Barely used any fuel. This thing can go all freaking day. $490. Got a link in the description below with a code. You get $40 off if you buy one today. We have nothing bad to say about this bike so far, but it does not have enough power for us. I think this is a little bit more power. I know you're sitting there in my car. All right, I welcome you guys to Little Red Rocket. As you can see, there's a lot of room for activities in here. We're doing a swap right now in the shifter cart. We're putting a 252 stroke in it, and we got the 125. It still runs and everything. We thought it'd be a good idea to throw the 125 in here. So we're about to pull this engine out, put a 125 two-stroke in here, and who knows what's gonna happen, but it's gonna be freaking crazy. A mock-up going on right here. I think it's gonna fit, boys. We got Mark here doing all the work for us. He's gonna be our project manager when it comes to fabrication. You looking good, dude. Nice and dirty.
Hey, yo!
We just went for a little test drive for like 5 minutes. I just finished the bike and I was like, well, let's try it out, make sure it works. And let's say she's really stupid fast and freaking scary. Well, that didn't last very long. Damn. Let's also just say that it's not built for this kind of power. So many hours of work and crashed and just screwed it up. So damaged handlebars right now. I already have new levers coming in. The biggest one is the forks. We're trying to do this full test drive and finally get this project finished off by tomorrow. We didn't put a wheelie bar on it, which clearly this thing is so tiny, like it any bit of throttle just picks up right away. Have Mark come in here, make us a nice little wheelie bar so that doesn't happen again. 30 miles an hour. 30 miles an hour, it just picks up like that. It gets leaky. Peter! Damn, it's all in my shoes. See that? What the heck's supposed to be in there?
Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey. Yeah, ain't no error.
It's stupid fast. Give a little throttle. Right away, it picks up. There's like no control at all.
Me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Baby, I'm not one of them. You should try on it. Miss me with all that I'm on it and next. Up, I'll send you back to your ex, but good luck with that. This is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do.
Dude, that's a death trap. A piss missile, like the definition of a piss missile.
It's stupid rowdy, dude. Over where it's smooth, I'm like fourth gear. I'm like, all right, maybe I can smoothen it out and go fast. Just give a little gas still. It's just like no control. It feels like you're going crazy fast, but you're using maybe 15% of throttle. Hands down, this thing will do minimum 100 miles plus an hour. I wanted to see like almost like a pole on a fourth gear next to this bike at like 30 miles an hour and see what the difference is. He was literally wheeling over there.
Oh, it stops.
Oh, it stops? Dude, every single gear. I'm serious. I'm probably using at max 50% throttle. I was going like I think 5th gear when I passed you, just trying to keep it down and just still. Yeah, you really like right by me almost, just slip it down.
I was going almost 60 and he was walking me.
Wheeling past.
I was just talking to Toy that he wanted to get this back to his house then.
David, are you ready?
Oh, what?
Are you ready to fuck her up a little bit?
Give her a shot. It's the thing you love the most because you pass. One down.
Yeah, one down, 5 up. It's 6 gears.
Why is this clutch so sketch?
Everything about this bike is sketch, David. All I gotta say is hold on to your life and don't let go.
I don't know. Do it.
What do you think's gonna happen?
David likes to ride Little Red Rockets.
I'm okay. Pretty fast.
It catches you by surprise though. It's like, it's slow,
That's because the power valves are closed shut, so it's all top end, no bottom.
And the steering bar doesn't help either.
It's a little twisted from my accidents. If you guys don't know already, I already crashed it 5 minutes after I just started for the first time. Went down this road, didn't expect much, with no wheelie bar, and just... Captain totally decided to join the party, so he's about to take the little red rocket for a spin. It's your turn!
Is it?
Yep.
Here we go?
Yep.
Let's go.
Where is it?
Look at him.
Oh, Mr. Race Car Driver. What the fuck is going on? What is this man doing? Ruben, you're just in time.
Dude, am I?
You're dressed perfectly for riding the little red rocket. We all went on, Tolly's next, and then you. Now you know why I fell?
That is not okay.
He doesn't know what he's signing up for. At least we were recording, so like we've been seeing the whole thing how it works.
He has no
Someone's gonna die. Told you, I didn't expect it at first. The first time it went up.
David at least expected it, so he didn't panic. But both of you guys,
Now I know why it was all messed up when you sent it to me.
that would have been
I was like, how the hell do you do that on a mini bike? There's no way. This guy's.
So what's the plan for this now? What do we do now? So the next plan for this bike is a secret. So you're gonna have to you're gonna have to stay tuned. But if you guys want to get a bike like this, FRP, check them out. Got a link in the description below, and we have a code for $40 off. It's not an expensive bike, $500. We got a lot more crazier things to come, and yeah, stay tuned. Needs more power.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been one.
All right, I welcome you guys to the big red rocket.